Let us start working on problem number 8. Right here, when 6 is subtracted from 4 times a number, the result is 54. The number is. Right, let us check out here. So we don't know the number, so let the number be x. Let the number be x. Right, read the sentence carefully. When 6 is subtracted from 4 times a number we consider it as x, right, and 4 times a number you need to multiply it with 4, that is 4x, and 6 is subtracted from this number, that is going to be 4x minus x is equal to 54. This is what the expression. Now 4x is equal to 54 plus 6, right, so x is equal to 54 plus 6 is 60 by 4. Now simplified here, x is equal to 4 15s, x is equal to 15. So option C is the right one.